All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
It's O-R-E-Y-O. DJ Oreo.
I believed everything. There's a point to losing love, repeating pain. It's all the same. I hate this place.
Takeovers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tasha. If you're new, I got stuff to do, so we're gonna take over. So right now, guys, I'm gonna head to IKEA because I have to organize my beauty room. It's a mess and I am over it. So therefore, we're going to IKEA because I want to change my makeup vanity to something else. I need a mirror. I want to change from this mirror to another mirror. And I've been lazy. Not lazy. It's been busy. It's not easy, but like today, since I'm here after work today, so I decided, you know what? I mean, I know for sure I have to go to the gym, but at the same time, I just want to organize my beauty room and get that out the way. Be comfortable in here, and so I could, record and stuff like that for my YouTube channel. So therefore, guys, that's where I'm headed now. We're gonna head it to IKEA, and I'm taking you guys with me, of course. And yeah, I'll see you in IKEA, okay? Don't mind my hair. Don't mind me. I know I'm a mess. This is what I got on. Nothing crazy. I'm a simple girl as always.
In this paradise, don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more sick of the side of mind, intrusive.
Headed to the mall. Nothing crazy. Simple. Little tennis shoes.
Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta smoke. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rapping too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture, bro. They look bro, hit this stick and start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to read them motherfuckers low. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Got it, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the police, got the period. Oh, you know, I fuck with lines and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know wiping up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. They can hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Smoke gloss and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the collar, the for the sun. I broke a see it up by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run from my problems, we second up, wallow and swallow and try get it mega book. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shop, got 40 designer belts. OPF, look like the new BMW. They gon' dump, got stones in my right or left. So you track up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put lost in they pockets, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep it spell. On the strap because I'm worried. Check the trunks, I'm counting more of it.
The bottom part of it is coming out.
Then rinse and repeat, 5 drops, 5 drops, 5 drops, until you find out what is stronger. Once you find out the stronger one, put it to the side and add the other two until you get a hint of each one. The hardest part of this process is maintaining it. A lot of people get like a quarter of the way and they're like, I love the scent. I'm like, well, fill it up. And they're like, well, I'm gonna lose it. Well, you are gonna lose it, but that's the hardest part, is maintaining it all the way to the top. Okay? Everybody has a jigger in front of you. If you have flipped the jigger, let me know and I'll come flip it back over. Alright? Do not flip your jigger because these are flammable. They have to be ratioed out. If you flip it, your whole candle will catch on fire, not just the wick. Okay? The wax will catch on fire as well. So it has to be where I put it. Nope, you're big time. Yep. Do not flip it. Do not flip it. Yep. Big time. Small, 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 big. Big, 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 small, 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 small. Big, big. Perfect?
Yes.
All right. Like I said, go slow. After you feel doing the jigger right now. All right. The words here, y'all, like this. They're just gonna run down your hands. Do not open them because they're already open for you.
This
Okay?
strapping.
You just grip it out. Grip, grip, grip.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Perfect. Everybody good? Yeah, Court. Yours is a little too much. Open too much. Yeah. Make sure you're not opening them.
Shut up.
I'll close it whenever one you want. It's gonna take you.
Where do you put it?
It's not
Sitting there?
Where
Where do you put
Right,
it?
so we're trying to figure out which one is stronger and kind of reactive.
So continue put more until you find the smell that you like.
Yep.
If you don't like it, let me know. I don't want you to ruin it. Alright, coming over your left
Camera's
shoulder.
up to that, that's why you know what to do. Now, but then you should.
Next. No, not yet. I'm getting to that, but the die will stay.
Done making candles, guys. Now we're gonna head into eat. I couldn't really talk because in there they were playing music, so that's why I couldn't really talk. So now we are headed to up to eat. So it's a beautiful day, and yeah, it's a vibe.
It's O-R-E-Y-O. DJ Ori.
Believe I believed everything.